Okay, we're going to go to math.com, click on the Algebra Operations with radicals, and we're going to be looking at 9.2. 9.2. So we have 1 over 3 roots of 2 minus 3 roots of 108. So what I want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this, but I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over 2 to the 1/3, but we're going to need to multiply it by 2 to the 2/3 times 2 to the 2/3 minus, I'm going to go ahead and write this as, I don't know why I'm writing it like that, but might as well get everything with rational exponents in there. So we're going to have 2 to the 2/3 over, and of course 1/3 plus 2/3 is 1, so that'd be 2 to the first power minus 108. And you know what? Let's do some side work over here on this 108 thing. We can break 108 down to, let's see, 4 times, is it 4 times 27? Yeah. And this can be broken down to 4 times 27, but then 27 can be written as 3 cubed. So as you can see, we got a cube here, and let's just do that. So we got, let's see, 4 times 3, right, whoa, that's all raised to the 3rd power. So as you can see here, 3 times 1/3 is going to be just 1, so we'll bring that 3 out front. And then of course we have 4 to the 1/3. There's nothing else we can do with that. And then we'll just kind of rewrite what we got over here. Now the thing of it is, we need to get a common denominator, so I'm going to write a 2 down here, but I need to write a 2 up in the numerator. Right. So that's going to give us 2 to the 2/3 minus, and we got 2 times 3 is, what is that? 6 times 4 to the 1/3. That's all over 2. And so we're gonna have, we don't have like radicals, but what we can do here is, I just noticed that we can write this 4 to the 1/3 as 2 squared raised to the 1/3. You see that? Okay, so that's going to end up making that 2 to the 2/3. Now we got like terms there over 2. So this becomes -5 2 to the 2/3 over 2. Okay, or you can write this back into radical form. Of course, that just ends up taking that back to a 4. We got -5 over 2, however you want to do that. Alright, however that wants to be done there. Okay, let's see, what do we got going on here? Let's do one more here. We have the square root of 3 plus 5 over the square root of 3, and then plus 2 over the square root of 27, and that's going to be all over 3. Alright, so we need to get a common denominator, but let's see, this thing here can be written as 9 times 3, right? 9 times 3. Okay, better not skip any steps. We're going to go ahead and multiply square root of 3 on top, on bottom here. So we have 5 square roots of 3 over 3 plus, now the 27 can be written as 9 times 3, but then that is a square, And so we're going to end up getting 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Square roots of 3. And that's over 3. But as you can see here, we need to get a common denominator. If you wanted to do that, that's going to put a 3 out here and then a 3 down below. So we're going to end up with 3. You know what? Let's just go ahead and, since we got like, these are all like, we just add them. So we got, what do we got? We got 9 and 5 is 14. Square roots of 3, and that's all over 3. Okay, so that takes care of that one there. Alright, so we're over here at gotomath.com, getting it figured out, and I'll see you in the next problem.